Oaxaca City feels like an open-air art gallery. Walls burst with deep blues, fiery reds, mustard yellows, and bright turquoise. Murals of skeletons, devils, and Zapotec symbols cover old houses, cafes, and alleyways. In Jalatlaco, the cobblestone streets are filled with Dia de Muertos murals. Many are painted by Oaxacan artist Bouler. This Bouler mural stopped me instantly. Skeletons laugh, work, and carry baskets. Playful, strange, and unmistakably Oaxaca. Not all Oaxaca murals feel traditional. Artist Serie 2.74 uses bold outlines, smooth colors, and graphic comic-like styles. This Serie 2.74 mural celebrates love beyond death, with two calaveras locked in a tender embrace. Another 2.74 mural shows a skeletal wedding procession. A brass band plays while marigolds glow. Even the building windows become part of the artwork. I also enjoyed this smaller mural. A modern La Catrina walks her skeletal dog, carrying her Oaxaca bag with quiet local pride. Along Calle Hidalgo, this turquoise mural by José Juárez immediately stands out. A giant donkey piñata bursts open, releasing tiny horned figures across the wall. Bright pink window frames and repeating patterns give the mural a playful pop art energy. Artist Calderón Butrón turns a humble turkey into striking street art, surrounded by flowing calligraphy. Next, I stopped by Escarabajo, the small art store owned by muralist Bouler. Even from outside, the shop bursts with color, with skeleton artwork, bright pink splashes, and a giant Jalatlaco mural. Inside, Bouler sells graphic tees, prints, and autographed drawings in his signature style. From Jalatlaco, I walk a few blocks south to the workshop of street artist Efedefroy. He is known for playful wheat paste murals that remix Mexican pop culture with fantasy and nostalgia. One such mural reimagines Mexican film icon Maria Felix, dressed like Princess Leia, standing beside Luke Skywalker. The Efedefroy workshop is full of colorful characters, retro film references, and theatrical costumes. It's like stepping inside someone's imagination. As I entered Centro Oaxaca, the murals became more political, more symbolic, and deeply rooted in indigenous identity and memory. This elegant skeleton woman wears marigolds and traditional dress, blending beauty, death, and Dia de Muertos into one striking image. This mural celebrates indigenous identity with corn, passion flowers, and a proud Zapotec woman painted beside a tiny local grocery. These black and gold paste-ups feel almost sacred, combining ancient gods, elders, and indigenous symbolism against a fading pink colonial wall. This quiet mural carries a sharper message. Painted on the jacket are the words, "No human being is illegal on stolen land." From Jalatlaco, I continued north, into the quieter barrio of Xochimilco. Here, the streets feel more peaceful and local. Pastel houses, bougainvillea, and murals appear almost around every corner. Soft pinks, sky blues, and hummingbirds turn this entire street into a dreamscape under the warm Oaxaca afternoon sun. This colorful hummingbird feels almost alive. Painted with delicate patterns, and glowing wings against a soft rose-pink wall. Even this black and white mural feels joyful, filled with doodles, dogs, music, cacti, and tiny Mexican symbols. José Juárez blends ancient pyramids, peso coins, and everyday workers into a bold mural about modern Mexico. This nature-inspired mural celebrates Oaxaca's biodiversity with magpie jays, beetles, and forest branches painted in rich earthy tones. This haunting Katrina mural honors Dia de los Muertos with candles, hummingbirds, marigolds, and spirit animals guiding souls through the afterlife. Lacho Peláez celebrates the Carnival Putleco with masked dancers, tiliche costumes, and a burst of color full of Oaxacan joy. The artist humorously shows a skeleton drinking mezcal, reminding us that in Oaxaca, the spirit of celebration never truly dies. Serie 2.74 fills this playful mural with acrobatic skeletons, a dog, and a cat celebrating joy and family beyond the afterlife. Walking through Oaxaca felt like wandering inside a living gallery, where every wall carried stories of memory, identity, death, celebration, and life, painted boldly beneath the Mexican sun.